Seems like you work for NASA. No, that's good enough, yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh, nice.
Right? Oh shit, it's hot. Ooh,
Oh yeah, dude.
Ready?
It's amazing. But tomorrow you don't need it.
No, I know. I understand. I think this is the right.
All right.
This actor is pretty cool.
That is
huh?
gangster. A little more.
1, 2, 3.
Push.
This is B.
Oh, and then this is B.
Yeah, this one's E.
We got a ground anchor here, a turnbuckle, and then a steel cable with the loop. Goes up, and we have the shackle over here, and that is connected to a head eye. It's water on the metal cap. We have 3 guy lines for each pole. 3 guy lines, 1, 2, and 3. And on top, they're going to be connected as well. On the top. The last guy line. That's Wingman Band.
That's his name.